Yes, yes, I'm on the road, God, the road, boy. Me I tell you, boy. Me and a brother all the reason I go a big man still. But you know, me a big man too. I'm just bigger man for me. So me I go say me and a next big man. All the reason, he come buy saltfish and he come buy feeding. And the man says, I have to come support that thing. If I do it first, I forward still. I say, thank you, man. So I say, we have to support each other, man. And we get in a reason, we start talking about the Chinese man. I say, Chinese man take over Jamaica without fire a shot. Because the Chinese man knows that Jamaicans are the stupidest black people up on the planet. Them not racist, you know. Them not racist, them classist. So they always try to get in what they don't know nothing about. They know about their own black brother and sister. So we poor and you set up a little shop. Them not going to support you, them going to support Mr. Chin. So I say this to say that. Me notice all the time when I get up and I talk about, yo, Mr. Chin this or Mr. Chin that. The only way you can get rid of Mr. Chin is stop supporting him. That is the only way you can get rid of Mr. Chin, brother. Is when you have your little 5 grand in your pocket, you stop at your brother and sister shop and support them. But the reason why me refuse to support my brother and sister then, because you have to be logical about everything what you talk. As dunce and stupid as and no manners as me is, me don't know how to talk the truth. See? I know some me done so me I maintain it. And me a nurture it. Because it a work good for me. Being dunce work so good for me. Make me get on the dunce part before me get back to China, man. Being dunce to me, I pass all up on my classmate them. Which part at 10, 15 subject, then don't have a car, then don't have a room, then don't have a career. 16 picking here, follow back at the subject. Jump off of that subject now. Get back by the Chinese subject now, Khago. The only way you can get rid of the Chinese man them out of your Caribbean is to stop support them. Chinese people not even support other Chinese people. We are not full Chinese. You understand what I say, brother? But the reason why all me now can't support my black brother and sister, because you buy something for $1 and you now must feel like you sell it for $25. Dirty jankro. So that is the reason why the Chinese man will never get rid of him. You can't get rid of him out of Jamaica. So if you get rid of him, he's not just going to support your brother and sister because he can't support you and it will make me poorer. The same thing when you go buy from the Chinese man. $10 you want to sell me for $135. Where this say, me a go to China man no matter how far he is. Listen what me I tell you. Me now, watch other shop I sell one Magnum for $500. And me I sell it for $320. China man price me I sell it for. And if you want wholesale, me sell it cheaper. Me watch everybody I sell one water over the months for $100. Me I sell one for $60. And still did afford for make a change of fight, brother. Until he raised the other day, me notice me have to go push up back for my price. Because the Chinese man won't raise. You get what I'm saying, brother? You're not going to get rid of all the Chinese man them, you know. Because we still need them, but at least we can balance back the gap in our society. You don't need to make more than $20, $25 for one product, my lad. How you buy cigarette for $30 and you want to sell it for $100? That don't make no sense. So me rather go buy it from Mr. Chin, brother. But get back to Mr. Chin, because I want to get rid of Mr. Chin. I want to cut down their wealth in a half in our country, brother. And we need help. We have to support one another, brother. But supporting one another, you have to bring down your price. How you want to get so rich so fast, my youth? You understand what I say? Want to sit in 2 PS. How you sell it for triple times? Want beer, brother? I know you brew it. I know you own the beer company. How you want to make more money more than Mr. Beer? How you want to make more money? You want to make triple time one beer more than Mr. Guinness. You understand? Mr. Soda, you want to sell one soda for 5 times the amount of the man who owns soda sell it for. It don't make no sense. And Mr. Chin knows so me buy the soda for $10, so me I go sell it for 15. Mr. Chin comfortable within $5 because he knows so all the way have to go come flack him. You now buy it from Mr. Chin for $15, brother, and you sell it for $85. You are a thief. And the Bible says you must not overprice. Nobody, you must not move your neighbor land post, my youth. That these things I mash up with it. Let me tell you what next thing, brother. Me I watch one documentary, you know. Down at Thailand. You know, say all of them are China lookish people. Because me never know say you have all different type of China people. The Thailand people, them are China. We call all of them Chinese. But Thailand one them a little bit taller. The Japanese one them head shape look different. And so me don't know the difference of them. But this man have the biggest restaurant in Thailand, brother. And in Thailand, the Chinese them go carry out their freaky side. So when they go there, at the Thailand restaurant, them a go. And this man have the biggest one which spot at him at the Mac Daddy at Thailand. And I tell you, say, boy, one mistake the Thailand government go make and let in one Chinese restaurant, and that man have to lock down the restaurant. Every Thailand man have to lock down the restaurant because the market was a Chinese people. Keep for them tourism market going. Brother, Chinese people no support nobody. It's either you are Chinese or if they will go for the next best, a localized Chinese pan the island. But if you let in a Chinese, brother, it over for you, and there goes them paradise. Them have to go get rid of them Chinese people in my youth. Chinese people don't support nobody. You never even tell me if you ever see a Chinese man on a gas station. He not can support because none of them own a gas station, boy. For them gas have to come from the head, come park up in a jump at them place. You never, or maybe just to make it look, they not support them. We send one black man with them vehicle go full of gas. Just to say they still not support a brother. They want to have that feeling there. And you know, why you try to get out of it? Why you walk past your brother shop, gone and the Chinese man gonna support him? Me I go tell you why. You don't want to do it still, but the junker price too high. In price too high. Come down off of your price because the Chinese man stand up on $5. It make you can't hold $5. And it make you can't hold $1 because that is his and her profit. Mother road. God road.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your family and friends, and browse this channel for more gossip and drama from the Caribbean.